Empty ground. Empty classrooms. What used to have learners' cheerful laughter? Now an empty space for teachers to walk on. This emptiness, among many other learning situations, is brought to us by COVID-19. But life did not stop there, right? We at Igpit Elementary School continued our vision and mission with the Department of Education. We continued to serve our nation by giving the best of our services despite all the challenges we are facing. With a strong unity and cooperation bestowed by parents, stakeholders, and community. With teachers' innovative skills and attitude. With the positive use of technology to supplement the modular instructions.
Raise a hand using the raise hand icon. Welcome or Miss or Be More Virtual Kamustahan Patros Special Edition with the theme, Okay ka pa ba? Hello kids! Welcome back to our English class. This is Teacher Jackie and today we are going to talk about real versus make-believe. Today, we are going to talk about identifying real or make-believe, fact or non-fact images.
Hello kids! Welcome back to daily class. This is Sir Joel Baclares once again. Today, we will talk about conducting survey on animal and fish bracing.
With the learners' active participation despite the distance.
Alexa, we're going to their rendezvous with their ballet team.
With the administrators' passionate leading to get through all this. Igpit Elementary School continues to be one of Opol East District's risers. Basta Igpit SIRIT, Opol East District, we rise!